Thank you for staying with Republic. And time now for EBIX Cash News Alert. The Election Commission is likely to announce the dates for the Bihar Legislative Assembly election 2020. The Election Commission will hold a news briefing at 12 p.m. today. The polls to elect a new 243-member assembly will be held in more than one phase, keeping in mind the COVID-19 guidelines and social distancing norms. Prakash Singh is with us on the phone line. Prakash, over to you for all the details.
Well, the Election Commission is slated to hold a press conference at 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and it is expected that the Election Commission may announce the schedule for the Bihar Vidhan Sabha polls, which is up to be held in the month of October and November first week. And as far as the elections are concerned, it has to be held before 29th November because the term of this assembly expires on 29th November. Now, the catch is that before 15th November, the entire election process has to be held because after that, the festival of Chhath is there. So in between that, the elections cannot be held because people are busy with their own schedule. So before Diwali, the elections has to be held in Bihar. So technically, if you see, there are only 45 days left. And now we'll have to wait and watch in how many phases the elections are held, whether it is in 5 phases or 6 phases. Earlier, it used to be 6 or 7 phases. But keeping in mind the COVID, as you've said, and the social distancing and the COVID protocol, we hear that the election might be held in 2 or 3 phases. But we'll have to wait and watch what the Election Commission comes up with. And all the political parties are gearing up through their virtual rallies. It's a very low-key affair here in Bihar. Generally, it has been witnessed that the elections in Bihar are held on a very large scale, and the entire country watches it and keeps a close eye on it because the electoral results of Bihar Assembly elections holds a very important significance when it comes to national politics. And the BJP and JDU here are a part of the alliance, and they will be taking on RJD. Tejasvi Yadav as well. He's the chief ministerial candidate from that side. Nitish Kumar from the other side, with Lalu Yadav still in jail. So it has to be seen what kind of election it is going to be held, keeping in mind the COVID protocol, what kind of protocol the Election Commission comes up with, or the Election Commission is going to announce the Bihar Legislative Council elections date first, and then they may come up with Bihar Vidhan Sabha Assembly election schedule. So we'll have to wait and watch what is the schedule they're going to announce today. Back to you.
All right, Prakash, many thanks for those details. And we wait and watch what the Election Commission has to announce at 12 p.m. today. The dates for the Bihar Legislative Assembly election 2020 that will be given out at noon.